Hey traders, Dogecoin is down 14% this week, now at 10 cents. Is this the start of a bullish move or just another trap? Let's find out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious.
And don't forget to check out our Patreon page. We've just posted fresh premium signals with solid targets, so you don't want to miss them. Start with the tester plan for just $10. Link is in the description and comments below. And remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't